from the state of West Bengal. Another attack on media by TMC goons in presence of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. This happened during Mamata's public meeting in Rana Ghat on Sunday. The reporter was beaten by TMC goons when he was trying to take reactions of the people who were protesting against Mamata Banerjee during her public meeting. Anuj has been tracking the latest. Also joining us from Kolkata. Anuj, you've been tracking all the rallies that have been taking place in West Bengal, be it from the BJP, the TMC. This incident once again has happened during Mamata Banerjee's rally. A reporter who has been assaulted. Not the first time such an incident has come to light. Piyush, Anuj, tell us more.
Well, exactly. These are the visuals coming in from Nadia. And let me tell you, this was the Mamata Banerjee's public meeting when there were some people who were agitating and who were protesting against Mamata's government. And when this particular reporter asked these protesters the reason of their protest, he was beaten by the Trinamool Congress goons. So that's something what we are understanding from the ground, what is happening on the ground. The media has been attacked again. Let me remind you earlier, this was the MLA of Trinamool Congress who assaulted a journalist. And now this is coming in from Nadia, where a reporter has been attacked by Mamata Banerjee goons, by Trinamool Congress goons. This happened in Nadia. And these are the visuals on your screen in which you can clearly see the reporter being threatened, the reporter being pushed, and he was beaten there in the rallies. And his problem was the mistake he has done is that he was just merely asking the questions to the people who were protesting there, that what exactly has happened and why are you protesting here? What is the reason of your protest? But in response, he was beaten, he was attacked by the Trinamool Congress worker. And let me tell you, Mamata Banerjee was nearby. What I've been told, Mamata Banerjee was very much there when this all happened. So, in presence of the Supremo of Trinamool Congress, in presence of the Chief Minister of West Bengal, this is something what we are witnessing. This is something what we are seeing again. And this is not the first time. When we are talking about the violence, this could be clearly seen on the ground. This could be clearly seen after the rallies. This could be clearly seen what exactly the situation of the West Bengal is. And now, what we are seeing is that even the media personalities, even the reporter, journalists being attacked in front of the Chief Minister. And earlier, this was Trinamool Congress MLA who attacked a journalist, who slapped the journalist. And now, this is in the public meeting of Mamata Banerjee, where a journalist has been beaten by the Trinamool Congress Karyakarta. Yes.
Yes. Beaten only because he was taking reactions from people who were protesting against Mamata Banerjee during her public rally. Anuj, if we speak of the politics of it all, because all this happening in the run-up to the West Bengal Assembly polls that are set to take place this year, it certainly only strengthens the BJP case that maintains that Mamata is synonymous with intolerance.
Well, there is no second thought about it, because this is something, the line which has been taken by Bharatiya Janata Party also. They are maintaining the same, they are claiming the same, that whosoever will speak against Mamata Banerjee will have to face with the same consequences. And that's something what we are seeing on the ground level. That's something which could be clearly seen after the rallies. That's something which could be seen with the journalists also. Because the journalist there was trying to do his duty. There was trying to ask the question to the protesters that what exactly has happened, why they are protesting against Mamata government. But if the question will be raised against Mamata government, then this is going to be the condition. The visuals are speaking themselves. The reporter was beaten merely just for asking the question, merely for just doing his duties. So that's something what BJP is saying, and that's something which is strengthening BJP, as you pointed it out very clearly. This is something, the point which has been taken by Bharatiya Janata Party. They talk about the lawlessness, they talk about the law and order situation on the ground, because we have seen how even this was the national president of Bharatiya Janata Party whose cavalcade was attacked here in Kolkata. And after that, these are the political murders which could be clearly witnessed day after another. These are the violence on the street of West Bengal which could be witnessed day after another. So that's something what we are seeing on the ground level. Yes.
Yes. Anuj, stay on with us. We need to